Hello there. Today we'll be doing house robbers number 2. In this particular problem, 95, we will be doing basically house robbers, but we'll be doing it with a twist. This twist is that we cannot take the first one. If we take the first one, we cannot take the last one. That's a loop. Because the loop, we cannot. If we take the first one, we cannot take the last one. If we take the last one, we cannot take the first one. So basically, we just need to take this, separate the problem into two problems, one without the first one and one without the last one. One thing to note about this is that when you're doing this, taking away one item, if you had one item, you take that away as well, and that would be a problem because you are not taking that one item. And so we're gonna have to add that in as well. So basically, this is gonna return the max of nums 1, 0, and we're gonna do a helper function, and we're gonna do nums 1, and we're gonna do a self.helper, and we're gonna run nums -1. So the first and last items dismissed. So we're gonna do a helper, and that's gonna be called the self and nums, taking a list of integers, and we're gonna produce an integer out of it. So we're gonna rob 1 away, and we're gonna rob 2 away. So what does that mean? What do I mean by rob 1 away and rob 2 away? So we're gonna rob 2. So rob 1 away is gonna be 1 away from our current item, and 2 is gonna be 2 away from our current item. So we're gonna be able to rob 2 away from the item, but we're not going to be able to rob 1 away from the item. This is a way to clarify it in our brains, and semantically speaking, that allows us to think about this easily. So we're going to rob 2 away, everything rob 2 away plus n, or we're going to rob 1 away, and that means we're not going to be able to add this current item. So rob 2 away now becomes rob 1 away, and rob 1 away is going to be equal to the temp. What we're going to set, and then we're going to return the rob 1 away as our final product. And with that, we have completed the problem. As you can see here, this should run properly. It is running much slower now. I don't know exactly why, but it is what it is. So that's how we manage to run adjacent items that run in a circle, is to remove the first and last item. And I hope you learned something today. That was a little simple lesson about managing this particular problem. I don't know how you could have thought of this particular solution, but I think the idea is that when it's a cycle, you cannot take the first one and take the last one. I think that's it. So hopefully you remember this lesson, and you learned something today. Thank you very much, and have a good one.